Hello everyone, so I'll be showing you how to look for scholarly articles and sources using our own library's page. So go ahead, and what you're going to want to do is start with the CSULB homepage at csulb.edu and then move over to the menu option like so, and under resources you're going to look for library and go ahead and hit that link. Alright, from here you do have several options to look through the catalog, databases by title, but we're going to go ahead and go by topic. So you'll click databases by topic. And from here, these are the different topics you can choose from. So depending on what articles you're looking for, maybe it's in nutrition or in German or whatever it may be. However, for us here, for this example, I'm going to go ahead and go with the education one. So you click on that, and you can see that there are multiple databases to choose from. Some people I know have used JSTOR and had found some great articles there. However, I typically use ERIC for mine, so we'll click on that. You will have to log in using your library, your ID number and your library password. So go ahead and have that ready to go, and you'll log in like so. Alright, and then from here, you do actually have the freedom to type in whatever topic you're looking for. So, for example, for me, as an English major, I would probably want to look for teaching English middle or high school. So I would just type in English and then space, language, and then if I wanted to get, if we could do teaching, there's learners in the classroom. So we'll go ahead and do teaching. So we can see different strategies on how to teach. And so you'll have all these different articles to choose from. You can kind of sift through them. They do have abstracts available for you to read, to look at them and kind of get a sneak preview before you decide on what you want. Some do actually provide the full text. So we'll just click on this first one as an example. So you can see there's the author, the source. It is peer-reviewed, so it'll tell you yes or no in case you need that information. And then here's the abstract with a brief summary. Now, like I said, some do have the full text. For this one, it is actually available right here. You just click this link and then it'll give you that full text. You go here and then download full text through a PDF. Now, unfortunately, not all of these articles will have the full text readily available on this website, but many of them do. Some of them you are able to access through the library, and you are able to find them on here, and then you just hit the button get it at CSULB if you wanted to pick it up from the library front desk, depending on if it is available. One other handy tool I like to use when it comes to finding the article is there is a little Cite tab over here on the right. You can click on this and it gives you the citation for the article depending on what style you need. So if it's APA, Chicago, or for me, I typically only use MLA, so that's really handy as well. But yeah, there are other ways you can actually fine-tune the search. You can change up the language here in the field options if you want. You can also change the publication date, so some professors require that it be after a certain date and no earlier, because many of the old articles are very outdated. So you can just slide that to fit your preference depending on what date you're looking for. If you do want to only find full text available articles, you can hit that link as well. Look at peer-reviewed ones and really just fine-tune your search. So yeah, it's a great resource if you ever need to look for some scholarly articles. So I encourage you to use it if you do need some sources later on for your papers and your research in general.